In San Antonio, Texas, check out this lady. It looks like she's definitely at the wrong house. In San Antonio, Texas, this guy snatched a package right off the porch, and even the dog wasn't having it. If that dog had a say, this thief wouldn't have gotten far. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This guy is definitely scoping out ways to break in. Make sure to keep those doors locked tight. Ever wondered where your food delivery goes? Check out this clip. You might just find the culprit. In San Antonio, Texas, this guy knocked on the door and ran away to see if anyone was home. Once they were sure no one was there, he and his buddy broke in and stole valuable items. Watch out for this sneaky new trick. Keep your doors locked. In Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, check out this big bear casually roaming through a neighborhood. Just a reminder to keep your trash secured and stay safe. Nature's giving us a close-up. In San Antonio, Texas, this guy snuck around at night and stole some roofing material. Keep an eye on your property. People will take just about anything. In Hartford, Connecticut, this creepy moment was caught at 4 a.m. A man taking a picture of the house in the dead of night. Definitely unsettling. Keep your property secure. You never know what people are up to. In East Hartford, Connecticut, this man was caught approaching a house early in the morning. Something about it feels off. Why so early? Don't forget to give that like button a little love. Share the fun with your friends and family. And for all the latest episodes and wild antics, hit that subscribe button. Join the crew. We promise to keep the surprises coming.
Can I help you?
Can I help
Hey,
you?
David.
Yeah.
David Barcom.
David?
No, you have the wrong.
Come in.
You got the wrong number, man.
Huh?
There's no David here.
No, David Barcom.
With who?
David Barcom.
There's no David here, buddy.
In Chattanooga, Tennessee, this homeowner covered their car to keep it clean but forgot one crucial detail. They didn't lock it. Always remember to lock your doors, or a clean car might not be the only thing you're worried about. In San Antonio, Texas, yet another unlocked car gets wiped clean. Always lock your car. Don't make it easy for the thieves. In San Antonio, Texas, check out this guy checking the doorknob. After noticing the camera, he pretends he's at the wrong house. Sneaky moves. In Chattanooga, Tennessee, these guys are trying to open a locked car, but since it's secured, they move on to check another one. In Conway, Arkansas, check out this guy. In San Antonio, Texas, remember to keep your backyard locked. You never know who might be lurking around. In San Antonio, Texas, a masked man was spotted creeping around the yard, likely looking to steal something.
Can we help you?
Stay vigilant and keep your property secure.
Who is that?
In San Antonio, Texas, this guy may have dozed off at the wheel, causing property damage before making a quick getaway. Check out these sneaky car door wigglers prowling around, searching for unlocked vehicles. Keep your doors locked and your belongings safe. In Aurora, Illinois, make sure to keep your bike inside or securely locked up. You don't want to give any sneaky thieves an easy ride. In Liesel, Illinois, it seems some folks are having too much fun stealing other people's packages. Let's hope they trip over their own mischief. In Sugar Grove, Illinois, these kids are up to no good, disturbing the homeowner late at night. Can't they find a quieter hobby? On Shadow Lawn Circle, Ring camera caught footage of someone stealing work bag, a black backpack with the City of San Antonio logo. It had work laptop and charger inside. Homeowner reported it to IT security the next morning, and they wiped and disabled the computer. In Conway, Arkansas, check out this clip of a person approaching a house. What's she up to? It looks like she might be at the wrong house. Always stay alert and keep your doors locked, folks. Meanwhile, in Sugar Grove, Illinois, these kids are back at it again. They're kicking the door and setting off firecrackers, causing chaos and disturbing the homeowner.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, this homeowner fell victim to not one but two porch pirates who swiped his packages right off the porch. In Portland, Oregon, this guy is definitely at the wrong house. He looks confused and out of place. Let's hope he figures it out before causing any trouble. Always stay alert and keep your doors locked, folks. Someone tell him to get the hell out of here before he finds himself on the wrong end of a very unhappy homeowner. Remember to keep your pets inside. You never know what could be lurking around the corner. Hey, put that back here. In Bloomington, Illinois, check out this guy who tried to steal a bike. He must have thought he was smooth, but when he spotted a car nearby, he suddenly got a case of cold feet. In Naperville, Illinois, this is quite the unexpected sight. A coyote and a cat engaging in a tense chase. It's like nature's version of a high-stakes game of tag. Who do you think will win this showdown? Let's just hope the cat has some quick moves.